How to fix error code 0x8000ffff on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix error code 0x8000ffff on Windows 10. 1. Check your computer for malware infection using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. Tweak your drivers using the recommended Avast Driver Updater in this video guide. 3. Set correct date and time and log in as admin. 4. Boot in a safe mode with networking. 5. Clear Windows Store cache by running wsreset.exe. 6. Tweak Windows Store by running the following 2 commands as admin: PowerShell execution policy unrestricted AddOps package disable development mode register env system root /winstore /ops manifest.xml. 7. Mend your system files by running the following 2 commands as admin: dism.exe /online/cleanup image /restore health chkdsk /f/r8. Switch to administrator account. 9. Disable any active proxy server. 10. Create a new user. 11. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 12. Perform clean boot and remove problematic applications using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 13. Perform an in-place upgrade. 14. For Microsoft Store Update issue users, run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Reconfigure or reinstall the Microsoft Store by running the following 2 commands as admin: PowerShell execution policy unrestricted ADAPS package disable development mode register env system root /winstore /apps manifest.xml plan B, get apps package Windows Store alerts for each ADAPS package disable development mode register $__install location, /appx manifest.xml. Reboot your system. 15. Delete software distribution folder at c:\windows/soft_twa redistribution on Windows safe mode. 16. Start the cryptographic service. 17. Run network troubleshooter. 18. Reset Windows 10.